So this is my apartment inside. Yeah, so this is my kitchen. It's beautiful. This is how my apartment is. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't even know how to do this. Okay, so yeah, this is the stove and pretty much in the oven. So that sis can cook, because I love to cook, hey? I love cooking, I love cooking. Okay, these are the drawers, more cupboards, and the dryer and the washer or washer dryer, doesn't matter. There we go. Okay, this is my sink and some open space for me to put some effort in. And then this is the microwave area. This is where I'll put my microwave. And then this is the fridge area. This is where I'll put my fridge. Ta! And then yeah, this is some open space, man. Like more cupboards. I like this kitchen. There's so much cupboards because another thing you'll need to know about me. I love glasses. I love buying glasses. Glasses. Okay, this side is just the switch and stuff, and then there's my bathroom, and then there's this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this wall. This wall with shelves. There's shelves there. You guys can suggest what I should do with that because I have no idea. But before we go to the bathroom, this is sort of like an office area, which I'm so happy because you know sometimes I need to be productive and I need this type of setup. I was thinking of getting a desk, you know, an office desk, but I'm so happy that this apartment has this area. You can put your books here, your laptop and whatever, printer and the chair, and then there's drawers just to keep some important documents, right? Also, let's look at the ceiling. What do you mean? Love. Okay? Like, guys, from a distance, like, look at this. Let's go see my bathroom. Let's go see my bathroom. Okay, this is my bathroom. First thing you see is the basin, and there's a mirror, and then that's me. Me. Definitely me. Okay, this is a towel holder, basin, where you can keep some extra toiletries. And then we have her. I don't know, I have a problem with an open, yeah, this thing. Let's close it. I think it works better like that. It's just something wrong. Also, I love the fact that they have this. Because girl got needs, okay? So I'm able to just press without going through all the trouble. Then there's a window here, and it's hot, honestly, here. Okay, this way I'm gonna put my toilet paper and more towels. And then here is my beautiful shower. Okay, it's a bit dark, I'm gonna have to put it up there. So this is my shower. Looks nice, small enough for me, one person, okay? Okay, this is how my tub looks. Guys, I am in love. Period. Oh wow. These people will know someone stays here because me and noise are a combo, okay? Are a communicating combo. Okay, so this is like a window where you can literally see outside, and I'm glad that this thing is, you know, not showing my window because I don't feel comfortable when I say, especially people who know me from Islam, like for my own safety, to be honest. I feel like we can only share so much on social media streets, hey? Right, this nice focus again. But yeah. So these are the lights to my lounge. This side is going to be a lounge, obviously. These are the lights. And also, it's a loft, if you didn't know. it's a loft apartment, you know, so my bedroom is up there. Wow, looks good. Yeah, it's a loft, guys. It's a loft. Right, there's my kitchen, there's the door, there's the bathroom door. My office is right underneath the stairs. These are the stairs. The stairs. Let's walk down. Let's walk up the aisle, okay? I think here I'll put some pictures on the wall. I don't know, hey? I will see, yeah? This whole thing is gym. I'm gonna lose weight with this days. This is my bedroom. Okay, there's this. Yeah. I think this is meant to operate lights and stuff. I honestly think. So this is my bedroom. That's my wardrobe. And there's another desk there. I don't know. Maybe I might use that space to do my makeup, you know. But I'm happy with the space. I feel like I'm happy with it that it's big. Yeah. Then there's another corner here. I also don't know. Like, I feel like maybe here I should get a chest of drawers, or maybe this is where I should. I don't know what I should do. But I also like this corner. Maybe I'll put a chair here, or a chest of drawers, or whatever. I don't know, man. I really don't know. Yeah. I really don't know. I don't even know how I'm gonna put my bed because it's sort of like, you know, it's angled. So with my bed, it has to be here. Right? Like, I ain't ashamed. This whole thing doesn't make sense to me. At all. I don't know. But I'll figure it out. Honestly. And then what's the sitting? Yeah. Doesn't seem like it's secured. Okay. Yeah, let's roll out. Okay. So in my bedroom, you can see downstairs. Okay. And then there's these lights. They start all the way from here. But yeah, man, I am excited and I am also waiting. Like, this is my waiting room. I'm just going to show you the last one. There is also a fan, which is okay. So yeah. I look ugly, eh? So yeah, I am currently, let me go downstairs because I feel like there's more light there. My room is a bit intimate, okay? It's a bit intimate with the light. Okay. This is not as bad. This is not bad at all. It's actually exactly what I saw. Whew, the light is too much. It's actually what I saw. I am pleased at this point. But yeah, I look amazing. Ooh. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm currently waiting for the moving truck to bring my stuff because I'm gonna wait for them here and they can move in my stuff. But I wanted to show you guys how this apartment looks. I think it's really nice. I love it. It's beautiful. It's me. It's me. And best part about it, it's close to the beach. I love the beach. I love just going to the beach and sit and just, you know, be in my thoughts and in my fields and you know. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. Maybe I will do a finished apartment tour because I'm also gonna get new things. I'm gonna get new stuff for this apartment, like the fridge. I need a new fridge. I don't want my old fridge. Microwave. I'm gonna get a take coffee table. Like I'm just gonna have to like. It's motivating me to give it life. It's not like my previous apartment whereby even if I buy something new, it's not showing because it was too tiny. Okay, so this one is motivating me to give it life, and I will definitely be doing that. Okay, bye now. So thank you guys. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.